Hey guys, this is how to use Etoro Visa card. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss you a step-by-step guide. So I made this table over here so we can have a better understanding. So first thing that you need to do is to make sure your card is activated. So just simply go to your Etoro Money application and just simply tap on the cash tab. And from there, just simply tap on the card and just simply select activate. And after that, guys, just simply enter your CVV card. So it will be a 3-digit on the back of your card and just simply click on activate your card. And now once you have activated your card, you should be able to use it. So just simply select the items or service you want and just simply go to the checkout. And in the checkout, just simply enter your debit card details. Just simply provide your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. And after that, guys, your card can be used like any Visa debit card to pay and shop at home, online, and abroad. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And it offers a market leading exchange rate. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. And thanks for watching. See ya.